How to delete Google Play Store purchase history. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google Play Store purchase history in just a very few easy steps. Whether you want to clear your past purchases for privacy reason or just tidy up your account, I've got you covered. First, open your Google Play Store on your app. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account that you want to manage. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the account menu or the three horizontal lines. Next, tap on Payments and Subscriptions and go to Purchase History or Budget and History. This will take you to a list of everything you've purchased from the Google Play Store, including apps, games, movies, and in app purchases. To delete a purchase, simply find the item you want to remove, tap on the three dots next to the item or swipe right and click on Remove History. This will instantly remove the selected item from your purchase. You can repeat this for any other purchases you want to delete. And that's it. That's how you simply successfully clear out your Google Play Store purchase history.